It's somebody's birthday. It's somebody's birthday. Whose birthday is it? Hey, whose birthday is it? Hey y'all. Long time no see. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Naturally Netta, better known as Shanetta. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this really cute, simple beat. You know, like a mini little get ready with me. It is my 30th birthday. And I did this cute little simple look. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so my brows are already done. The next thing I'm going to do is take my Stay Matte Mattifying Primer by Rimmel London. And I'm going to apply this all over my face. And this just kind of get rid of pores and keep my face matte throughout the day. And then next I'm going to just apply my foundation to my face. The foundation I'll be using will be Black Opal True Color, and this is in the shade, I believe, Beautiful Bronze. And I'm just going to dab this, just literally go across my face. Okay, the next I'm going to take my Real Techniques 202 brush. This is the Instant Pop Face Brush, and I'm just going to dab this into my skin. Excuse my little bump. And you literally just going to pat it into your skin. Literally just pat, 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 pat. And I like this brush because it gets around your brows. You don't necessarily have to mess your brows up when you know, go over them. Okay, so once I feel like that's all patted in, I'm going to go in with my Born This Way foundation by Too Faced. This is in the shade Butterscotch. And I'm just going to put that under my eyelid. I'm sorry, my under eye. I want to highlight my upper lip, my chin, my nose, and then my forehead area. Okay. I'm just going to let this sit just a little bit. While this is sitting, I'm going to take my Mario Badescu spray and just kind of spray my face. And then I'll take my Real Technique Beauty Blender, and it is kind of dense, and then I'll blend this out. I'm not going to wear any eyeshadow today. So, because I'm not doing any eyeshadow, I'll go over my eyelid as well. my Real Techniques. This is a base eyeshadow brush, but I use this to blend out my concealer under my brows. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to blend out the concealer on my nose. And as you guys can see, I'm just patting, and I'm going to do this for my nose and my forehead. Okay, then next I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender and just kind of blend everything out. And you guys, it is my 30th birthday. So I'm hanging out with my sister and my friends tonight. It's my 30th birthday weekend. Okay, so once I feel like everything is blended out, I'm going to go in with my Morphe setting powder in the color Banana. Before I do that, I'm going to go in with the same brush, and I'm going to blend out any edges from when I conceal my under eye. This just gets rid of any harsh lines and helps prevent flashback. Okay. Next, I'll go in with my Morphe setting powder, and when you see me do this, this is just getting the lines from my under eye before I set. So I'm just going to take a little bit of setting powder and set my under eye. Just because I'm not wearing any shadow, I'll set the concealer on my eyelids as well. Might as well. Okay. Kind of set this as well. I can go ahead and set anywhere I highlighted. So anywhere you highlight it, just go ahead and set. Okay. Once you feel like everything is set, I'm going to go in with my Morphe Bronze Tour in the shade Showmance. Do I want to take this brush? And I'm going to take this Elite kind of fluffy brush, and I'll just chisel my cheeks. Okay, so once I feel like that is finished, I'll go under that and just kind of highlight. Okay. And now I'm going to go in and bake. Okay, once that's finished, go back with this brush. go back in with the Morphe Showmans and just kind of define this contour bit. Next, I'm going to take my Mario Badescu setting spray, and I'm just going to spray this to kind of set and get rid of the ash. And while that is setting, I'm going to go in with my blush, and I'm just going to, you know, blush up these cheeks. Ooh, my brush fell apart. Sorry, I'm gonna blush up these cheeks. My brush keep falling apart. So, oh well. Then next, I'm going to, I could set my face one more time. Next, I'm going to go in with setting spray. With the setting spray again. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. And I'm going to use this fan brush. And then just kind of I kind of like to dab while my face is wet. And I got this fan brush from Amazon. Okay, so I'm going to add my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product or whatever. I went to put my dress on and my hair. So yes, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. After you subscribe, hit the bell right next to the subscription button. If God's willing, I will see you all in my next video.